Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for August 19th of 2025 is titled Giant Galaxies in Pavo. So, what do we see here? Well, here we look at a couple of giant galaxies in the constellation of Pavo, which is the constellation of the Peacock. Now the galaxies here, let's look first at the galaxy down toward the lower left side. This is a gigantic spiral galaxy, and in fact a barred spiral galaxy with a bar of material going through the center, and then spiral arms stretching out to the sides. Now this is actually the largest known spiral galaxy, 5 times the size of our own Milky Way. And that makes it about 500,000 light years across. Now the galaxy's arms are stretched out, maybe in the appearance of a giant bird, which gives this its popular name of the Condor Galaxy. And why is it so stretched out? What would cause this? Well, an interaction with another galaxy would do that. And we can see the interacting galaxy down just below this one. And that is another galaxy. They're currently interacting, and the gravitational fields will then stretch out things like the spiral arms. So that also enhances star formation, and if we look to the right-hand side there, we can see very prominently the blue color of new star formation going on within those spiral arms. So there's been a lot of star formation there. We can also see the dark dust lanes that we also associate with this type of galaxy here. Now, this is not the only large galaxy in this image. There's actually an even larger elliptical galaxy present toward the middle of the image, and this is a giant elliptical galaxy known as IC 4970. And this is a very large elliptical galaxy, and we'll see the very distinct differences between elliptical galaxies and spiral galaxies. The obvious one is that the spiral galaxy has spiral arms and the elliptical galaxy does not. Harder to see is the fact that the elliptical galaxy is a blob. It is more of a sphere or squashed sphere in terms of shape. They're not very flat. The spiral galaxies are very flattened into a thin disk. And another difference is the coloring. We note that blue color in the spiral arms of the spiral galaxy. We'll note that there is no blue in the elliptical galaxy. Elliptical galaxies have already used up all of the gas and dust there and have formed all their stars long ago, and therefore there are no young stars. And because those stars don't live a very long period of time, when we see those blue stars, we know that they had to have formed recently, and that means that many of these elliptical galaxies have not had star formation for many billions of years. So here we get to see a very large elliptical galaxy centered in the image, and a very large barred spiral galaxy down toward the lower left side. So that was our picture of the day for August 19th of 2025. It was titled Giant Galaxies in Pavo. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day everyone, and I will see you in class.